Hey guys, I bet you all miss hawker food. Yes, I miss the hawker food. All the Hokkien mee, all the roti prata. And I spotted this at the market and I remember I miss this pinggang Taupok so much, this tahu bakar. And guess what? Let's make this at home. Bring the hawker food back to you. That's all the ingredient that you ever need for this wonderful hawker Taupok. It's so easy to make, almost very little cooking required. So you just need to get this Taupok and cut the slit right down in the middle. Okay, so you make a little pocket and you start making your stuffing. Yes, it's done. Oh, the smell is awesome. Well, remember I made Sambal Kicap mayonnaise? Here it is, and this is perfect combo. Okay, so when you make this, you gotta make this Sambal Kicap mayonnaise. Let's dig in, man. First, you take some of this Sambal Kicap mayonnaise. Okay, and then you just bit more. Oh, 西北包啊！哇，好爽！ You know what, guys? You have to do this, man. Make some of this kicap mayonnaise and this. I'm out. See ya.